Question said parametric cover. Parametric I think not cover lah. Projection we just have a equation of plane. So parametric we not cover. So 17 So 17 1 tu 17 1 tu kita tak cover. So kita tapi if cover lah, if cover. Okay, if cover meaning meaning kita kena imagine that. Okay, imagine kita kena imagine that we have, for example, if we have two plane, the green one and the blue one. So if we have two plane and then they have a intersection, so maybe here, maybe like this, maybe like this. So there is a lot of possibilities the plane will be, but the only thing that we can have, if two plane meet each others, meaning we have a line here. Okay, we have a line, something like this line. So we have a line. So each plane will have a normal, which is a normal for the plane should be perpendicular to the plane. Also for this plane, perpendicular to this plane. So I move to second question, which is find a parametric equation for the line through a point. So we have a point and then a parallel to the plane. That line that's parallel, the line is parallel to the plane x plus y plus z equals to 2 and perpendicular to the line. So meaning this we have a plane x plus y z, then we have a line that perpendicular with that. So meaning to find the equation of plane, what we should have a point, and then we should have a point and a normal. So we need to identify what is the normal. Okay, so now we have but it's in a parametric, still in parametric. So this kind of question I think not come out. So we go to, because we have a parametric question to get the normal. So we go to 18. So we go to 18. So we have a 3 point. So 18 we have a 3 point. 18 we have a 3 point. We have P, we have Q. If 2 point, we draw a line. So we will get from the 2 point, we will get a line. That is definition for a line. If we have 2 point, so we have a line, and then we have a arc point. So now find the equation of plane passing through the point PQ R. So now we need we want a plane that is passing through this line. If we have point, so if we put this first, so this is from 0, right? 0. This is from 0. This from 0, which is this is 1, 0, -3, and then we have 0, -2, -4. Arc, we have arc 4, 1, 6. Okay, if we go to the back, what should we have? We should have a point. Equation of plane, we need point. Okay, we have 3 points, so we can select maybe one of this point, and then we need to find a normal. We need to find a normal, and then that's all. So now if we choose this plane P and Q, okay, P and Q, so what we will have, so imagine this P and Q in a one plane, okay, in a one plane. Okay, imagine in a one plane. So in a one plane, but R we have maybe in another plane. So now what should we have? If we cross P and Q, what we'll have? If we P and Q, so if we cross P and Q, we will get a perpendicular, betul tak? We have a perpendicular
with RN.
If P cross Q, we have a normal, one normal, and then one minute. how to solve this? So we have a point. So I, J, K. So we will have 1, 0, -3, and then we have, if we have PQ cross RQ. equation of plane. So equation of plane, oh, sensitive. Equation of plane 3 point. So if we have 3 point, how to conduct equation of plane? Okay, so see like this. You see this? You can see this? It's not clear. I think this is much more clear. Okay, so now, okay, we imagine that the 3 point, the 3 point, is in a one plane. So my imagination is not is not correct lah. Okay, my imagination is not correct. So now let's like this. So like this. Sekejap my imagination is not correct, but it should be like this. Okay, this plane, we have a this plane, which is this plane contain 3 point. Okay, this plane contain 3 point. So we have P point, Q point, and R point. So we have like this. We need to select. We need to select. So we have this line, P and R and Q. So if we cross this, we get perpendicular of this equation, and if we cross RQ, we have a perpendicular number for this equation. So now we will get, which is we will get a normal. The green one is a normal. A normal, which is perpendicular to this plane. This is a normal. So how to get this normal? How to get this normal? So there is the big question, how to get this normal from this equation. So we can see here, to get this normal, so it will be A cross C, C A cross B, AB cross AC. So we have this line. So now with our construction here, we select R as a center. So now we need to have a point. What is the equation of for PR? So PR, there is AB, AC. So RP, so R, Ctrl C. So RP, what is RP? So 1, 0, -3 minus 4, 1, 6. Okay, so equation of plane, we have one question, which is we have around 5 mark for upload solution. So make sure for any kind of question you can answer. So So we solve the first, and then we have negative 3, we have negative 3, we have negative 1, negative 9,
negative 9.
and then we have RQ. So RQ, what is RQ? RQ is 0, negative 2, negative 4, minus R, minus R 4, 1, 6. So what we'll have, we will have negative 4, negative 3, negative 3, and then we have negative 8. So now we have this this equation, these two like equation. If we cross this, okay, we cross, yes,
Negative 10.
negative 10. Okay, negative 10. So negative 10. So we cross RP, cross RQ. So we will get the normal, this normal. So we will get this normal. So I, J, K. So we will have negative 3, negative 1, negative 9, negative 4, negative 3, negative 10. So equals to apa ni? Negative 3. How to get a cross product? How to get a cross product? So we select this row, first row. If we want to find I component of I, so A, B, this point, negative 1 times negative 10, okay, and then minus this. So negative 3, negative 3, negative 9. Okay, that is for I. Okay. Okay, for J, what is J? J will be a negative here, negative first, and then bracket. So J, so we have negative 3, negative 10, minus negative 4, 9, 4,
Negative 9 over 2.
4, negative 9. Okay, this is J. Okay, this is J. Okay, this is J. For component, for JK, K component. So for K component, so we will have plus, okay, negative, okay, bracket first, negative 3
times negative 3
times negative 3 minus, okay, minus, okay, minus negative 4 times negative 1. This is K component. K component. Alright. Right, that's clear. So calculate this. Calculate this. What you have? What do you have? 10 minus 18, 27 plus 27. So we will get 17, right? 17 I. This is 30. this is 36. So we will get for 6j, we have 6j, and then this we have 9, 4. So we got 5. Okay, so we know that this is a normal, for the plane. So now we go to the equation of plane. So we have a normal, we have a point. So just put in the formula. So we have P1 P, so times normal equals to 0, because if we have dot product, if the perpendicular, meaning the dot product will be 0. If cross product, we get 0. Okay, this is extra lah. If cross product, if P RP cross RQ equals to 0, what is the meaning of this? Try. Apa maksud dia? Guys, class, what of the meaning of RP cross RQ? And then we got 0. What the meaning of this?
No.
No? What? No apa? If we have a line, we cross this line, and then we got 0. What the meaning of this? Before this, I said, if we have two line, so we will have a normal here. So which is a normal is perpendicular to the plane, this plane. This is a normal. Okay. So if cross product we get 0, what the meaning of if cross product get 0? What that means?
It means 2. It can be calculated.
Meaning they have no normal. So no normal meaning the plane is parallel. Okay. We say that if PR cross RQ, so there is perpendicular. If 0 meaning there is no perpendicular plane, no normal. So meaning the plane that these two plane is already perpendicular each others. Do you understood? So this line is already perpendicular to each others. So it is equals to 0. So if you go to properties, cross product properties. Cross product we have dot product. If we have cross, we get a perpendicular. 1 minute, where is the properties? So meaning no normal lah. So no normal, maybe that plane that these two already perpendicular to each others. Okay, so now meaning this line is not from a same plane. Maybe there is another plane, which is already perpendicular. Okay, meaning the plane of these two line is dia reverse lah, dia reverse from this concept. Meaning if we have cross, we have two line in a one plane, and then we will get a normal if we cross. If we cross and then we got 0, meaning this line is equals to a normal for the P. So that's why you got 0. So meaning the plane, we have two plane actually here, which is we have two plane already perpendicular. So that's why we got 0. This is extra lah, it's just extra. Okay, it's just extra. Okay, so now, so if dot product, meaning what is dot product? Meaning this is parallel. If dot equals to 0, what the meaning of if dot product equals to 0? If you go to 74, the properties of the scalar and dot product. So vector. So if we go to the properties of the product, properties number 4. Properties number 4 is said that, okay, properties number 4 said that, okay, properties number 4, okay, it said that if AB are orthogonal, if A, B orthogonal, and then A dot B equals to 0. So from these properties, that's why we got the plane equation. So we have A, B is N, A is this point. So we have we take one point, it can be any point, so in this, it can be any point, so you can take maybe P, you take R lah, R 416. Okay, so 416, so X minus 4, Y minus 6, Z plus 1, right? 416, 416, 416. Y no negative, so this will be negative minus. Okay, minus, and then we times with normal 17, 6, 5 equals to 0. So now at 17 minus 4 17, 10 times 4, 68, and then plus this is X, plus 6Y minus 6, plus 5Z minus 30. So you will get 68 plus 6 minus 30, 44. Get 32. So a point should be 1 minute. Oh, ni calculator dia terus eh. One, 0, -3. 2, -3, 0, -2, -4. 4, 1, 6. Okay, execute. We get to the 32 for any point. I think we selected for the point, so the point will be negative. This is negative 17. This will be negative 17. 32. So this 32. It's wrong here. Wrong the point we place. So the point we should have a point. What point? Yeah. We should have, I think this point, I think one of this, either -3, 1, 9, or 4, 3, 10. So we try -4, so +4 +3 +10. So here we will have 4 times 17, 68. 3 times 6, 18. 6, 18, 15. Should be 32. How to get 32? How to get 32? 1, 0, -3. Be here. 1, 0, -3. If 1, 0, -3, there is 1, 0 +3. So -70 plus 0 plus 15. Aish. How to get this? How to get 32 here? 32. to get 32? P1 to P1 to P, we should have P1 to P. So it should be, it's just a point. One minute. It should be just a point. If we put 0, -2, negative is 2 and -4. And then +4. So it's 0. This is negative 17. Oh, I missed negative 17 here. So we got 12. We got 20. 20. So now negative 78 plus 6y plus 5z equals to plus 32 equals to 0. So we move here 70x plus 6y plus 5z equals to negative 32. So we can put it a positive here. So if we put positive, so we multiply negative both sides. So we get 70x minus 6y minus 5z equals to 32. Okay, you can put any point actually. So we can take x minus 1, p point. This is p. This is q point. If we p point, so we have p is 1, and then y minus 0, and then z plus 3. I miss negative 17 here. I put positive, so that's why we cannot get the answer. So it is 5, so equals to 0. Okay, so 40 negative 40 17 x minus plus 17, and then what plus 6y plus 5z plus 17 15 equals to 0. So negative 70x plus 6y plus 5z equals to plus 32 equals to 0. So similar lah, it is similar to 70x plus minus 6y minus 5z equals to 32. It's similar. You can put any point actually. That's why I'm very confused, because of we left negative here. That's all. Alright, so now you can see here, this is or actually the calculator if we get 3 points. So this is the calculator if we get a 3 point. So I put at the comment. Okay. So now we have another form, another question. Maybe they didn't give you a point, but maybe something else. So maybe we can try. Maybe we can try 20. Okay, 19 we have 19 2. Find an equation of plane that passing through a line intersection of plane. So we have two plane and passing through the point P1 2 1. So how to get this? So how to get that? So the question said so we have 2 point, 2 line, we have 2 plane. So we have 2 plane. We find an equation of plane that passing through the point of intersection. They already give you a passing point P equals to -1 to 1. So you have already P1 P dot N. So what is the normal here? So what is the normal? So now you have this information, but you don't have a normal. So that of plane that pass through a line, the line of intersection of the plane, of intersection of the plane. We have two plane. Maybe like this. We have this plane, maybe like this. Something like this lah. Okay, something like this. So so this plane, find the equation of plane that passing through the line intersection of plane. So we have this plane, equation of plane for this is x plus y minus z equals to 2. And this plane is 2x minus y plus 3 z equals to 1. Okay, so 1 and then pass it. Okay, so now find the equation of the plane that passing through the line of intersection. So line of intersection here, how to find the line of intersection here? We have a line intersection here. How to find the line of intersection here? Okay, how to find this line of intersection?
S plus Y minus Z equal to Z minus ZX.
ZX. How? passing through. How to find this line? So one minute. So we need to get a normal, right? A normal, and then we will get then we will get the two normal. We get two normal. If we get these two normal, so okay, how to imagine this? So now you can imagine this. So now what is the normal for this? Normal for this. What is the normal for this? Normal for this, which is perpendicular, right? Perpendicular. So dia is perpendicular. Macam tak je. Sekejap. Confused pula. Okay. So maybe dia sengit sikit je lah kot. How to perpendicular this? Is it okay if I just put like this? So what is the normal for this? So normal for this plane is 1, 1, negative 1. Okay? Normal from this. If you can see here, normal for this, once we got the normal, so this XYZ is actually this is a normal for, we just extract from the coefficient here and x, and then there is the normal for the plane. The rest is a point. So now, so if we go to this, and then here we get the normal for this. And at a certain point, for the normal 1, this is normal 1, and this is normal 2. So we will get 2, negative 1, 3. Okay, at one point here, they will meet. Right? They will meet. There is the intersection of this. So if we cross these two normal cross, what we will have perpendicular to this. Can you imagine what I mean? So this line is parallel to this normal. This the green one. Okay?
The line of x plus y minus z equals to 2 is same as the normal, right?
Yeah. If in the right one, this is a right one, right? So this plane we have this normal, which is this normal perpendicular with this. So now if I delete this again, I sketch again. Okay, if I go, I just move into upward, and then this plane, they also have a plane, which is the normal is this. So this the normal for this plane, and 1 is the equals to 1, 1, -1. Okay, so if we just go straight with this line, which is this line is perpendicular to this plane, so we will get the intersection here. This intersection, if we cross, if this line, these two lines cross, so we will get the green one. Okay, we will get the green one. We will get the green one, right? Betul tak? Which is this line is parallel to this line. Boleh tak? So to get normal, to get this is a normal for the plane, for our plane here. So they already give us P, -1, 2, and 1. But we know that the plane that we want to find passing through the line of intersection. Passing through the line of intersection of the plane. Okay, so we will N1 cross N2. So we will get I, J, K. So we will have 1, 1, -1, 2, -1, 3. Okay, and then we will have 3 minus 1 for I, and minus J, 3 minus plus 2, J, K, J, this is J, K is plus, so -1 minus 2, K. So we will get 2I minus 5J plus K minus 3K. Okay, so we have this line, which is we have this line, and then we have this point, which is so this point and this line in a same plane, so we need to find a normal first. So normal, let's say this is R, so P R cross P equals to I, J, K. IJK, so 2, -5, -3, -1, 2, 1. So -5 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6 I, and then plus minus J, so 2 minus 3 J, and then we have K Okay, we have 4 minus 5. Okay, so we will have I minus J and then minus K, right? How to get the normal? How to get the normal of this? Passing through this, find the equation of plane that passing through the line of intersection of the plane. So now we need to find this. We can find this by cross, so we get the intersection line. This is intersection line, but we need to get a normal for this plane. The only a normal for this plane. How to get this? The problem is, if they set the perpendicular, okay, we just what? If they set the perpendicular, we just cross these two normal. If the question said that the equation of plane, which is the plane is perpendicular to the XYZ. So if the perpendicular to XYZ, we just take this as a normal. But now the question only said that the only passing through the line of intersection. Passing through a line of intersection. Meaning this is look like equation 1 minus equation 2 for that normal. It look like that. But why? So they the normal of this question is like just look like equation 2, the normal. Okay, normal 1, normal 2 minus normal 1. So normal 2 minus normal 1. So we have normal 2, 2, negative 1, 3, and then minus 1, 1, negative 1. So we will have 3 we will have 1, and then we have 1 minus 1, negative 1 minus 1, so negative 2, so 3 plus 3 minus 1, 3 minus minus 1, so 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so this is the normal. If but it just only said it just a pass through the line of intersection. So just pass through a line of intersection. But if like this, meaning if we get this, so this plane is perpendicular to each plane. If we have two plane, we change the equation, the question. If we change the equation, before we change the equation, just after we get the normal, so this is a normal for the plane. So as usual, we have a point, we just x minus plus 1, and then y minus 2, z minus 1, and times this 1, negative 2, 4 equals to 0. So we will get x minus 2y plus 4z, and then plus 1 plus 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So what we get, x minus 2y plus 4z equals to negative 1. Negative 1. I think the answer is not correct. Negative 1 should be negative 1. Okay, so now if this question, we change into I'll forward you to the group at WhatsApp. Okay, we have example. If we have 2 point, find the equation of plane that is perpendicular to the plane. So we have two plane passing through the point P0, negative 2. Okay. So now we have two plane. Okay, for example, we have these two plane. 1 minute. Okay, we have these two plane. Do you get my screen? And then we have, do you get my screen? Class? Class?
Yes.
Okay. So we have 2 point. If how to sketch this? It's quite difficult. Okay, we sketch like this, more easier. So Control C. So we have this another two plane. Okay, we have another two plane. Okay, we have two plane. So we have two plane, which is this plane is x minus y minus plus z equals to 0. Okay, your question at the tutorial, at the WhatsApp. And then we have this equation, 2x plus y minus 4z equals to what? 0 also. 0. So now we have a point 4, 0, negative 2. Okay. So now in this plane, okay, in this plane, so he said that find the equation of plane that perpendicular to the plane, perpendicular to this plane. So what we can have like this. So we have this two line, which is this is a normal. This is a normal for N1. So this plane. And then we also have a normal for N2, which is N2 like this. This is N2. This perpendicular to this. Alright. So the normal of N1, 2, 1, negative 4. Normal 1 is equals to 1, negative 1, 1. So now we have two normal, two line. We have two line, two normal. So if we want a perpendicular with this, so we just get this normal. If we cross this, we will get new normal. Okay, the normal. So they want a plane that perpendicular to this plane. So this line is perpendicular to this new normal, is perpendicular to this plane, the new plane. So what should you do? What should you do if you go to the question? So we have P here. So now we have already have a normal for this. So how to get this normal? We cross this. So that is more easier lah. So should be the question like this. So that is I'm not sure the question passing through the line of intersection. Is it just minus like that? There's something wrong. Maybe we need to discuss further later. But the practical one, the practical one, if we have 2 point and we have a normal, there is a question that is more practical. Usually we have this question is more what touch in a daily life lah, our life. So to get this normal, so normal equals to n1 cross n2. So we will have I, j, k. So we will have 1, negative 1, 1, 2, 1, negative 4. Okay? So negative 4. Right, so we will have I, for I, 4 minus 1 I, j minus, okay, minus what? Minus 4, negative 4, okay, negative 4 minus 2 j, k is 1 minus plus 2 k. So we will have 3i minus plus 6j plus 3k. So this is a normal for our plane, the red plane. And then we have a point, so P1P dot product with the normal equals to 0. So dot product equals to 0. So we have x minus 4, y minus 0, z minus 2. So plus 2 dot product with the normal, so 3, 6, 3 equals to 0. So 3x minus 12 plus 6y plus 3z plus 6 equals to 0. So 3x plus 6y plus 3z equals to 6. Okay, so the answer is x plus 2. So we factor out first. Okay, then we factor out. So x plus 2y plus 3, no more 3. So z equals to 6. So x plus 2y plus z equals to 6 over 3, which is equals to 2. So that is the answer lah. Alright. Okay. Either like this or x plus 2y plus z minus 2 equals to 0. Alright. So this is another question that maybe you can solve. Okay, 21. If find the equation of plane that passing through the point and parallels to the plane. Okay. 21. So 21. Find a equation plane passing through. Okay, we have a plane. So we have this plane. We have P here. Okay, we have P here. And then say that parallel to the plane. parallel to we have another plane here, which is parallel to this plane. So we have 3x, this plane is 3x minus 7xz equals to 12. So what is the normal for this one? So the normal for this, we will have n1 equals to 3, 0, negative 7. So we have a normal, which is a normal is perpendicular to all plane here. So we have n1. So this n1 is equals to normal for this plane. Alright, so just easy. This is P. So what is P here? P is 4 for negative 2, 3. Okay, so now what's your now? What's next? So P1P dot with n normal equals to 0. So x minus 4, y minus plus 2, minus 2. So we got plus, so z minus 3 times this normal. So this normal n1, so we got 3, 0, negative 7. Okay, equals to 0. So we get 3x minus 7z equals to 12. Equals to 12 plus 14. So plus 14, 21. So here you will get 8, 9. So 9. Okay, is it true? Negative 9. Okay, negative 9. Okay, right. And then we have another question, 22. Find the equation of plane that passing through the perpendicular to the line. Okay, we don't have the line, that line, so 2 is not include our discussion. Find the angle of between the plane. Find the angle between the plane. How to find the angle between the plane? We not cover, we just cover the equation of plane. So finish. Okay,